Okay guys, I will make another video for you for the scales how I calibrating. So now I already calibrate red one. First one I would like to calibrate yellow one. So I have it here. I make 0 and now I will apply the weight. So I will put, I need to put this one in the middle as well. So now I put 5,000 here. I will close it with this thing. It will be a little bit more than 5,000, but it's okay. So 52, so I put 5,000 here and it's too much. So I put 200 here. So I have 52.30, which is out on 30. So 52.20 and we have 0. So now we have next potentiometer. And when it will be 52.200, like I have it 5,200, 5,200, and we already out. So now I have the potentiometer for the yellow one, and when I move the screw, I move the, here you can see. So when I will have 55.200, like I have it here, like right now, I move the potentiometer. I have 0, 52, 5,200, 5,200, bang on, and I do it with the potentiometer. So this is how you calibrate this indicator. And another thing which I find here, we have the calibration sticker here, calibration record. Yeah, first time calibration was at 1985, then 87, 89, 89, 90, 91, and I put today date. Today is June 17, and I put my name. It's long one. So nobody calibrated since 1991. Only Anton calibrated at 26. Nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Pretty interesting thing. Really exciting to work on this.